Let's take a look at the most popular flowers in Greece, the tradition behind them, and what Greek flowers you can grow on your own. Most popular Greek flowers. Oleander. These flowers grow pretty much everywhere in the country, and they usually come in white and pink. They're almost considered a weed. The Greek Peony. This flower is, unfortunately, endangered, and it's almost become an endemic species. It has the innate ability to freeze during the winter but still survive it. Interestingly, this flower dons its name after Paeon, a character from Greek mythology. According to the myth, he was the first person to discover the medical powers of peonies. Aster. These flowers are easy to grow and maintain. Don their name after the word Aster, which means star in ancient Greek. They're very reminiscent of a star in their shape. They don't only come in white, as they appear in blue, pink, purple, and some other iterations too. According to Greek mythology, Zeus decided to cast a flood upon the planet because men became evil. Goddess Astrea was saddened by this idea, and she wished to become a star. Once in the sky, she started crying when she saw all the destruction, and every tear she dropped on the ground grew into one of the flowers. Dianthus. Dianthus, literally meaning the god flower or flower of the gods, is a beautiful flower, typically growing in various shades of pink and sometimes purple. In some traditions, this is the flower that people leave on a grave once a person dies. According to legend, Artemis, the goddess of the hunt, failed to kill anything on one of her hunting trips and found a shepherd playing the flute on the way home. She immediately blamed his music and gouged his eyes out. Once she had calmed down, she felt so terrible about what she did that Dianthus started to grow on the spot where the shepherd's eyes fell on the ground. Hyacinths. Hyacinths are flowers that produce an instantly recognizable scent. They're usually shaped like a bell, and they come in several colors: red, blue, white, yellow, pink, and the color of lavender. The name hyacinth comes from the character Hyacinthos, lover of Apollo. He was particularly popular because of his incredible beauty. However, the west wind, Zephyrus, was jealous of Apollo, and he decided to kill Hyacinthos one day by blowing a stone discus into his head. Apollo cried, and every tear that fell to the ground became a flower. National Greek flowers. Interestingly, Greece is one of the few countries in the world without an official national flower. What Greece does have, however, are national plants. One such example is the laurel. This plant has been prominent in Greece for a very long time, and it also served as a crown for the winners of the Olympic Games. The other plant that's connected to Greece and considered to be a national plant is the olive. Olives grow intensely all over the Mediterranean. This tree symbolizes peace and mercy, which is why the handing of an olive branch is a symbolic peace offering. Flowers native to Greece. The daffodil or narcissus flower, which is native to Greece, encompasses one of the most intriguing myths. Narcissus, a beautiful Greek youngster who became so mesmerized by his own appearance reflected in the river, he decided to stay idle on its banks in admiration of it until his death. Greek names for flowers. Anemone gets its name from the ancient Greek gods of the four winds known as Anemone. Adonis is the Greek name for yellow pheasant's eye blooms. Daphne is a flower that is associated by name only when it comes to Greek mythology. It is said that Daphne was pursued by Apollo. Heliotrope is a sunflower that is associated with the god of the sun known as Helios. But the flower is associated more with Apollo, as Helios was defeated by him. Because of its geographical position and its lovely weather, Greece is completely overflowing with flowers. Although Greece doesn't have a fixed official flower, it has olives and laurels as its official plants, which are both deeply ingrained in this country's history, as well as the history of its capital Athens. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.